Hello everyone, myself M. Prajwal. Today topic is preparation and properties and applications of nylon. Today we see the definition of nylons and the properties and applications of nylon. Nylon is a synthetic polyamide fiber made through chemical polymerization. It is strong, lightweight and widely used in textiles, industries and engineering materials. For example, cloths, parachutes, tire cords, etc. Preparation of nylon. Nylon is prepared by condensation, polymerization. The two most common types are nylon 6 and nylon 66. Introduction to nylon 6. Nylon 6 is a synthetic polyamide made from E. caprolactam. It is formed by ring opening polymerization at high temperature. The polymer contains repeating units of NHCH2 taken 5 times CO. Overall reaction is N caprolactam in the presence of heating to give NHCH2 taken 5 times, CO taken n times, and this is called nylon 6. Preparation. Melting the monomer caprolactam is heated until it melts. Initiation is a small amount of water or initiator like sodium caprolactamate is added to open a ring. Heating up to 250 to 270 degrees Celsius. The mixture is heated under nitrogen atmosphere to prevent oxidation. And here we see the nylon 6 photo. Ring opening reaction. Caprolactam and plus H2O gives rise to aminocaproic acid and polymer chain reaction formation. N-aminocaproic acid gives rise to NHCH2 taken 5 times CO and taken n times plus NH2O. Final processing. The polymer melt is extruded and cooled into solid form. It is cut into pellets and or melt spun into fibers. Fibers are drawn to increase the strength and chain alignment. Final nylon 6 is used in textiles, ropes, engineering, plastics and packages. Introduction to nylon 66. Nylon 66 is a synthetic polyamide. It is prepared from hexamethylene, diamine and adipic acid. The process involves condensation, polymerization with release of water reaction. Hexamethylene diamine plus adipic acid gives rise to give nylon 66 and water. Preparation. Formation of nylon salt. Hexamethylene diamine reacts with adipic acid to form hexamethylene diammonium adipate nylon salt. Heating the nylon salt. Nylon salt is heated up to 260 to 280 degrees Celsius. Water begins to evaporate. Condensation polymerization. The salt molecules join to form long polyamide chains releasing water. Polymerization reaction. NH2 single bond CH2 taken 6 times. NH2 plus NCOOH single bond CH2 taken 4 times single bond COOH to gives rise to NH single bond CH2 taken 6 times NHCO and CHO taken n times plus 2NH2O, and this is called preparation of nylon 66. Here we see the photo of nylon 66. Final processing. The molten nylon 66 polymer is extruded into strands. Strands are cooled in water and then cut into small pellets. Small pellets are used to make fibers, ropes, tires, textiles and engineering plastics. Properties of nylon. High strength. Nylon is very strong and can withstand heavy stress. Lightweight. It is very light, making it easy to use in fabrics and materials. Elastic and flexible. Nylon stretches and returns to its original shape. Abrasion resistance. It does not wear out easily when rubbed or used continuously. Chemically resistance, nylon resistance oils, chemicals, and etc. Applications of nylon. Textile industry used to make cloths, saris, socks, sportswear, and leggings. Ropes and fishing nets. Nylon is strong and durable, making it ideal for ropes, nets, and parachutes. Engineering plastics used in gears, bearings, machine parts, and automobiles components. Household items used in toothbrush, bristles, zippers, carpets, and umbrellas. Packaging materials. Nylon films are used to food packaging and chemical resistance. Thank you.